Sticky Balls, the magnetic sensation that's sweeping the nation.
Sticky Balls makes the coolest magnet toy.
Love the sticky balls. I love sticky balls.
Their rare earth magnetism is so strong, just one sticky ball can hold 6 sheets of paper. The same ball can repel and attract. It's amazing. Get started with simple shapes and move on from there. Build massive 3D sculptures. Let your imagination run wild.
My coworkers love playing with my sticky balls.
Sticky Balls will give you endless hours of fun with no boredom, no batteries, and no breaking. Guaranteed.
This is a hoot.
Order today and we'll send you over 100 Sticky Balls for only $14.99. Enough to master hundreds of impressive Sticky Balls shapes or to hang 100 pictures up on your fridge. But call right now and we'll double the offer free. Just pay separate processing and handling. That's right, over 200 Sticky Balls, the perfect amount for the more advanced shapes, for only $14.99. As a special bonus, we'll throw in a travel case, a special Sticky Balls shape maker, a hints and tips guide, and a Mastery DVD all for free. You get all this and a 30-day money-back guarantee for only $14.99.